G'day Australia, Corin from the DIY-cademy here. Today I want to talk about the Alpine ILX F309, ILX 259 and ILX F409. Now there's a lot of these floating around out there. They're a pretty cool 9-inch unit, and what we get heaps of people doing when they buy these to DIY at home is accidentally put a screw hole through the ribbon cable when they're assembling the unit. This is super common. We've had another video up advertising our ribbon cable replacements for a while, and we've I think completed about 17 or 18 so far for people all over the country. It is easy to do. One or two of the boys have even done it in the workshops at the audio comm stores. It's an easy mistake to make, so if you have done it, don't be too hard on yourself. Now the good news is we have a fast and easy way of replacing this. We keep these replacement ribbon cables in stock. We've got tons of them. I know that's a bit of a thing at the moment because Alpine's spare parts division is shut down and they're on short supply of these at the best of times. We've got a supplier for them. We can get them independently. We've got a butt ton of them. So if you have a hole in your ribbon cable for your ILX F259, ILX F309 or ILX F409, contact one of the audio comm stores in Western Australia and get your screen sent over. We can do an exchange ribbon cable for you, reinstall a new one and send the unit back to you. So check out the store locations, go to universalfuse.com.au, check out the store locations, contact one of the audio comm stores, send your unit there and we can get this ribbon cable replaced for you.